everyone, this is Kayla with the Country Crafter Studio. Thanks again for joining me today. I will be showing you how I made this super cute and easy, just a everyday card that you can give to somebody, whether it be for their birthday or just to say hi. It's super cute. I will go ahead and show you the supplies that we will need. We will be using the Incredible Like You stamp set for our sentiment, So Glad We're Friends. You can put in any of these sentiments or find one of your own if you don't have the stamp set. We'll then be using Bloom by Bloom. We'll be using these dotted lines here, so fun. I will be using the stitch shapes, and I am going to be using the largest oval. We'll be using layering oval framelits, and we'll be using the largest of these scallops. And then for our card, we will be using Whisper White, and this is 8.5 by 5.5, and I have it scored at 4 1/4. And then Lovely Lipstick, and this is 5 1/4 by 4. I have a piece of the Happiness Blooms DSP. This is double-sided. You can pick any paper out of this stack that you want. This is so cute. I love this. And the nice thing about this is we have the punches, and the punches coordinate with the paper, which is just so cool. Love it. The size of this DSP is 1.5 by 5 1/4. I then have a piece of Night of Navy, and this is 1 inch by 4 inches. And then I have just a scrap of Night of Navy as well as a scrap of Whisper White. We will be using Lovely Lipstick ink pad and Call Me Clover. Let's go ahead and do our big shot work first. We will be cutting the scallop on the Night of Navy and the stitched oval on the white. Let's go ahead and pull in our big shot. I have that right here. And we should be able to get both pieces through one shot. There's that. And my oval. Okay. And I always use the magnetic platform and then just 2 clear plates. We'll run that through. Here is our white stitched oval and the scalloped Night of Navy. Okay, let's go ahead and do our stamping. So we will be using the So Glad We Are Friends, and I'm going to mount that on my block. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this on my scrap paper, and we will be using our Lovely Lipstick for the sentiment. So we will ink her up and try and get it as close to the center as possible. Okay, that looks good. Then I'm going to come in with my Simply Chamois and clean this off right away. And I just keep mine in a stamp case and then cut off the 2 ends. That way I can keep it closed, but it'll still air dry so I won't get any mold on here. Okay, and then we will be using these dots. And just a tip, if you have a stamp that doesn't quite fit on your block, either way, this way, if you just kind of go at an angle, it makes it so you have more surface area and the whole stamp fits right on there. Let's close this before I get pink everywhere. Just my luck. Okay, so we'll go ahead and take our Call Me Clover, which is a gorgeous green color, And we're going to ink this up and then just stew on the top. I guess that's the bottom, not the top. And there's the top. Okay, top and bottom, and there we go. We can close this. And I will bring in my chamois again and make sure I get this cleaned up. Beautiful. Okay, so let's go ahead and get our card adhered. We are going to be putting this onto our Night of Navy. Right in the middle here. And let's go ahead and take our card pieces. We are going to first start out with adhering the Night of Navy. So we'll flip this over. And we're going to put this about right here. And then it's okay if it goes over a little bit, like on mine it's just a little bit too long. We can trim this later. And then we're going to add our DSP. And let's see which way. I think I want it like this. So we will adhere this right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and take our snips. And if you have a little bit of paper that goes over, that's fine. Just flip your paper over and trim it from the back. Take a little bit off right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this adhered onto our card. Like so. And we can go ahead and fold our card. Okay, and then we are going to take some dimensionals. And we'll use 3 dimensionals. And put that in the middle. And there we go. We have just made a super simple card. How easy was that? I actually made a lot of these cards. I think I will be using these for my swaps for when I'm going to On Stage, which is our Stampin' Up! Convention. The only way that you can go to the Stampin' Up! Convention is if you are a demonstrator. So if you would like to go to a super fun, crafty convention with lots of friends, you meet new friends, join my team. I'd love to have you come with. We are going in April, and it is the local is in Minneapolis for me, so I will be heading there and seeing a lot of my friends and meeting some new friends. I hope that you can join me. I do thank you so much for watching, and please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much. Have a good day. Bye.